Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change your avatar privacy, or like you wanna share it with your friends only, or you can simply share it with your all the members, or like everyone too. So you can do it by the simple steps. I can show you how you can do it. Open up your messenger app, and then you will pop up over here, and if you didn't log in, you have to simply log into your account and go to main menu, and then you will see over here a bunch of options over here. You have to simply do is click on the setting button on the top, and then you will pop up over here. So you can see over here avatar. If you didn't find it, you have to simply scroll up and search for it, and it's gonna be pop up like this. You can see over here avatar, click on that, and then you will pop ups over here. So you have to do is click on second option, avatar settings, and then you will see over here who can share or like interact with your avatar. So if you want to share it with everybody, so you have to simply click on everyone. If you want to share it with your friends or like only you, so you can simply choose it from here. So for me, I want to share it with my friends only, so simply click on that, and then simply done. It's done, and that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.